Looking for the best design ideas? This video is perfect for you.
Irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, hit the like button if you like the video so far.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designacheatsheet.com.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.